go to my topic, I want to give something a tricks on how to have a thing set shaking and overflowing blessing.
Don't be lazy.
Yes, that's the trick. Anyway, let's go to my topic. The formative and summative assessment. What is formative assessment? Formative assessment is normally carried out during the learning process. The method is usually carried out by the teacher. The main aim of formative assessment is to ensure the student has a complete understanding and competency. It is a continuous process to observe the performance of the student. What is summative assessment? Summative assessment is undertaken at the end of course or unit. It tends to measure mostly on the result of the student assessment is to ensure the student has a comprehensive knowledge of the study material. Assessment is based on the scores, grades, and percentage scores. This helps to highlight the quality of the curriculum being used. Examples of formative and summative assessment. Examples of formative assessment include asking students to draw a concept map in class to represent their understanding of a topic. Submit 1 or 2 sentences identifying the main point of a lecture. Turn a research proposal for early feedback. Examples of summative assessment. A midterm exam, a final project, a paper, a senior recital. Let's proceed to the main difference between formative and summative assessment. First, the weight grades of formative assessments are low while those of summative assessments are high. Second, the goal of formative assessment is to monitor student learning process, whereas summative is to evaluate student learning. The third one, the core aim of formative assessment is to enhance learning, while summative assessment is to measure student competency. Next, the nature of formative assessment is diagnostic, while that of summative assessment is evaluative. The fifth one, the frequency of formative assessment is either monthly or quarterly, whereas summative assessment is at the end of the term. Next, formative assessment is for learning, while summative is of learning. Lastly, the scope of work in formative assessment is little, while summative assessment is quite wide and large. So when do we use formative assessment? Formative assessment are used throughout the teaching and learning period. This means that it can be daily or weekly. When are summative assessment used? Summative assessments are used at the end of the teaching period, either end of the term or end of the year. So we can say formative assessment is continuous, while summative assessment is used at the end. Melvin A. Rubis, BS Ed 2 English, na nagapati alas 3 na ng kaaganhon. Thank you for listening and watching.